Good morning, humans, because it's still morning, even though it's 20 after 11, and I slept in. I slept in because I wanted to sleep in. It was so nice. Oh my god.
Some tears of joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line.
Yeah, I slept in. Because there was no alarms that went off, and I did not wake up until quarter after 10. Yeah, that's when I fully woke up, and I was like, oh hey, I should think about getting out of bed or something. And then I just laid in my bed and was reading stories. But taking care of my animals, I haven't taken care of me, and my mom wants to go to the store. So I'm gonna quickly grab something to munch on, like one of my granola bars that I have for work. And then, okay, no, why are you falling? I'm not asked you to fall. I'm gonna go. Sorry, you weren't focusing on my face. Look at Olive. Look at, she hungry. Probably mad at me because I kind of made her talk to me to get her food, and she's like, Mom, put it down, I'm hungry. But yeah, I gotta go to the store, so I need to go to the store and get you more wet food, baby. Yeah, we're all out, so we gotta get you wet food. Yeah, so you gotta eat. Gotta eat. Oh yes, oh baby. Yeah, so that's what I gotta do, and I'm gonna quickly do it. Most of the cats are on the back porch soaking up the sun. Oh, I'm sorry, Izzy. I'm sorry. The only one I haven't seen today is Skitter, so that's who I'll be on the lookout for. Okay, I'm gonna have this, and we're gonna go. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. What? What? Don't want me to record you? Why? I think I should record you. Because you've been up my butt all day, except for when I was at the store and Grandma's. Yeah. It's like, we have to be here. Yeah. I don't know why. Why do we have to be here? Do you know why? You're gonna bite me. You have that look in your eye. Yeah. So it is now 9 o'clock at night, and listen, I went to the store. I bought tons of things. I bought stuff so I can make a small batch of buffalo chicken dip for myself instead of like a huge batch. What else did I do? I don't know. I'm tired. I didn't do my laundry. I didn't do my dishes. I sat here a lot and I watched YouTube videos, and I didn't binge watch shows that are on my DVR like I should have. Yeah. Just tired. Didn't really want to do anything. You have a hair here. Oh, I did call the clinic for the cats. I left them a message, so hopefully they get back to me next week and I can get the girls outside fixed. Yeah, so that's the thing. Hopefully they can get them in to the clinic that I asked, because they have like clinics twice a month. Yeah, so hopefully that can happen. I don't know what I'm gonna get into because I'm probably gonna go to bed in like an hour. I don't know for sure. At least an hour, hour and a half, something like that. We'll see. Yeah. He's been snoring over there for the last couple minutes, and I was trying to catch it, but of course he stops as soon as I turn the camera on, even though he doesn't know that the camera's on. He has no clue, but he stopped snoring. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I should have did my dishes, but I didn't. Yeah. Oh well. I'll have to watch the cat's dishes. Tomorrow. Well, and I have to do my dishes too. I'm just like, yeah. So if you guys are new and you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below and give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See y'all tomorrow. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, not because I want to, but because I have to. Hey. Night.